Okay, it's about 7:30 in the morning. I just got a call from the shippers saying they're about an hour out from coming to pick it up. Yeah, so this is the last look in this garage. It's all packed up, got everything in there, ready to go. Yeah, a little bittersweet to watch it go on a truck again, but it'll be good to have her in its new home. So just for funsies, I went ahead and I hidden a little Apple AirTag up there. Who knows? You never know. Just to see where it goes. Maybe I'll get to follow along if it ever gets in touch with an iPhone or something. All right, that is one big truck. I didn't get any video of this, but they do a very thorough inspection of the car before loading it up and mark every little blemish and spot and missing piece on the car, which, if you're following along, you know is essentially my entire car. And I told them to check all the boxes because I know exactly what condition it's in, and they definitely did that. Oh yeah. See, that's what I was missing last time. You okay if I take video? Yes. You mind being on there? All right. They got a beautiful Bel Air back there. Are we still in park? Are we still in park? Okay. Yeah. Just checking. Yeah, if you're good with that. And nice enough to take the extra hood too. Oh wait, they're coming back. I don't know what it is, but it feels like something's missing. I just can't put my finger on it. All right, there's all my scrap metal. We're gonna see how much I get for it in scrap. All right, after all that, $11.20 for the steel, $2.72 for the battery. For all the money I've put into this car, it's amazing to get something back for once. I've talked about this. I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys this. I thought I had a full shop vac. I'm lugging it around. It's nice and heavy. I'm thinking, oh, this thing's really full. I got to empty it. I open it up. There was only like, I don't know, an inch or two in there. And it is all of this dust. This is exactly what I picked up before. As you can see, that's volume-wise not a lot. But this is really heavy. This is all just metal pieces and like little tiny metal flakes. This is what all that dust flying around my shop was. So really glad I use a respirator. Okay, that's it. End of an era for this garage. If you're still with me, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll catch you in the new one.